Hi, welcome to this video. How to add apps to CarPlay. To add apps to CarPlay, first make sure the app is downloaded onto your iPhone. Right? Only apps compatible with Apple CarPlay, such as audio, navigation, EV, charging, and messaging apps will show up. So just type CarPlay. Okay, and just download it from your app store. Okay, now open the settings app. Right, tab general, CarPlay. Okay, and you can now customize, right? Or you can tap customize or home screen icons. Now scroll down to the more apps section, tap the green plus icon next to the app you want to add. To change the order of your apps on the screen, just tap and hold the three horizontal lines next to an app name and drag it up or down. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps with the channel.